Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I am the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing BOTY, CYBL, EEENF, EEGI, ENZC, FERN, HCMC, JSDA, KYNC, LCLP, PHIL, RLFTF, and RSHN. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion and meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Hit the red subscribe button and the little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. Also go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get first look at stocks we're going to be covering. Stocks like LWLG at $2.55, ENZC at 0.014, MJWL at 0.014, and ALPP at 7.5 cents. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, to be 1 plus your area code and number. Never begin the format with 00. It won't work. And text messages are the fastest way to get our alerts, and many times we do text-only alerts if something comes across our desk and we want to get it out to subscribers as soon as possible. With that out of the way, let's dive in and recap the week. Guys, it was a lackluster week on the OTC markets. Not a lot to get excited about. Right now what's working is mostly your big cap tech. Apple is approaching the 150, almost near new highs. Small caps, the meme stocks across the board are just not seeing any momentum. And this is very, very typical for the month of July. So if anyone's been trading for a long time, they know that typically volume dries up in the summer. People are on vacations. I think this year more so than last year. Last year everyone was stuck at home in the pandemic. This year people certainly want to get out and start experiencing pre-pandemic life. So just keep that in mind. Right now I'm over 50% in cash. I'm being much more selective, not chasing, and that's why last week we only had one alert on Wednesday. Went out via email and SMS, had a nice 100% gain. We'll take that in this market. So right now there is opportunity in the low priced new plays. We have a new one coming Monday at the bell, just under 2 cents. So make sure you are signed up at signup.insiderfinancial.com, and the best part is that it is free. We do not have a paid service. We know there's been some scammers out there messaging with fake Twitter accounts. We never offer a paid service. So right now, InsiderFinancial.com is solely free. And the stocks that we're going to be covering, all of that is on the site. So you just go to the little magnifying glass, type in the term, and there it is. The first one up, BOTY. This is the Lingerie Fighting Championship League. My colleague Mike Long has discussed this one back in June. Before it was getting current, so you can go and check out what he has to say about BOTY. That had a nice 50% move on Friday. CYBL made new highs. We talked about this one the other 4 trending OTC stocks, CYBL was at the top of the list. So new highs here. Congrats to all there. EENF, this one has a big following on social media. Right now, this is a hold. They've cleaned up their debt. They're making the right moves, but, we're waiting on when they start drilling again, get drilling results. So we still see EENF as a great play and as also as a takeover candidate down the road. So keep that in mind. EEGI, nice bounce off the 0.002 level. It's a double this week. This one's starting to, make the climb back. Again, right now, this is what you're seeing in a lot of these plays. You're seeing the rally and then the sell-off retracement. And now you get the bounce. This is why it is so important for those of you new to this channel or new to InsiderFinancial.com. I have preached over and over again, please take profits. Especially in this market right now, do not get greedy. Don't wait for 100% gains. If you get 50%, 30%, take money off the table. Take what you can right now. Take it, bank it, and roll it into the next play. We all have our plays that we love. You can then use that cash, the profits from some short-term trades to add to your long-term holds. So you got to do what's comfortable for you and your family and what you think is best. It's all about learning to earn and lasting in the OTC game. There's tremendous opportunities. You can make an absolute fortune starting with very little money, but you have to be booking profits along the way, and that's how it works. And it's important to be diversified. We rarely recommend, again, we're not financial advisors, owning 10 to 20 or more penny stocks. This really gives you the flexibility, because not all of them are going to work out. But the few that do will more than make up for any of your losers. So just keep that in mind, and you'll do very, very well trading OTC. ENZC is another one, just like EEENF. A lot of social media love. But it's really stagnant. It's like watching paint dry right now. So this is just a hold right now. We'll see what the price action this week brings. FERN, nice winner, new highs. We've been talking about this one on the site. I'll go over here. For OTC stocks with growth potential. We talked about this one July 17th, FERN. So congrats to all. That's been a nice steady climber, new highs. HCMC, really disappointing price action. We had it's just been slow bleed. This one has enormous love on StockTwits, huge social media following. A lot of people, are banking on this one, but it's the price action's been disappointing. So right now, this is just a hold, and let's see if we can finally get some news. So a lot of these, if you're banking on, news, press releases, this case a court case against Philip Morris, these are lotto plays. So either it's going to work, and you make 5-10 times your money, 20 times your money. I mean, the potential here is enormous. Or you could lose 50, 60, 70, 80% of your investment. So just keep that in mind. And, as long as you know it going into this, what your risk reward is, look at it this way. Am I willing to risk, X amount of money to make, 5X or 10X? So that's what you have to look at. And the money you lose, you have to just chalk it up as you bet on the lotto. So keep that in mind, folks. JSDA, new highs. Talked about this one the other day. Jones Soda. So this one's nice to see this one making new highs. 4 buzzworthy OTC stocks. We had JSDA on that list. KYNC making a comeback. This one is another very popular one that we've covered. I want you to take a look at what we've said about this one. I'm not going to dive into the fundamentals. Guys, it's all there on the site. So, you can check that out, what we've said on, KYNC and many others. I mean, we cover basically all, the hottest OTC stocks, what's running, what's not, and, it gives you a sense of, a great starting point for you to do your research. That's what we try to be for our subscribers. A starting point for your research, and then from there you can go to otcmarkets.com, sec.gov, look at the filings, and then looking at Twitter, StockTwits, iHub, and getting a sense of the community and how strong of a shareholder base there is. LCLP, huge disappointment. Our subscribers caught this one last week. Nice run, and then it just been a steady sell-off. A lot of back and forth between bulls and bears on a reverse split, on the offering. Guys, I've been doing this a long time. If you have to get into a bull-bear battle, is the reverse coming? Is the offering coming? It's a losing battle. And it just goes to show you, you're what happens is the bears are very, very good at shaking out the weak longs. They make them scared, and they're the ones, with the paper hands, and they get out. And I'm not going to I don't get into the diamond hands, paper hands BS, but I'm just letting you know what's going on. There's a lot of tactics that go on by other players to make money. We got, there's pump and dumps, and then, you got the short spreading, FUD. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt. They're short, and it allows them to push the stock down by getting the nervous longs out, and then they buy at lower prices. So there's a lot of games going on, and you need to educate yourself about these games that happen. So it's very common. PHIL making a comeback, had a nice day on Friday, up 33%. This one looks like it wants to go back and test the 2-cent mark. We get above this one, blue skies ahead. RLFTF, this is one that we've covered in the past quite a bit. It bounced off the 20-cent level up here, had a nice day on Friday, up 25%. This is definitely one you're going to want to check out. It's running off of NRXP. That's on the Nasdaq. So they're tied in together. So we'll see what's going to happen here. So certainly has a lot of potential. This one was up at 95 cents. That's the 52-week high. It's only at 30 cents. It's got a $1 billion market cap. It's a COVID treatment play. So, COVID is still rampant. This Delta variant is really just creating havoc worldwide. And it just feels like this coronavirus pandemic is never going to end. And so these types of plays still have a lot of potential, in my opinion. RSHN finally bouncing. This one was a runner in June, had the huge correction. Now we're starting to climb back higher again. If you look at these charts, this is why nothing ever goes straight up. So you catch these moves, please book profits along the way. It will save you a lot of anxiety, grief, and depression. So please, guys, book profits when you can. With that being said, we have a new alert coming Monday at the bell, so make sure you are signed up for this under 2 cent. We think this one has a lot of potential. Really, really like this play that did a screen over the yesterday, looked at hundreds of different OTC stocks, and right now the sub pennies, the under 5 cents, this is where you can catch these the triple digit potential that we're looking for. So this is the where we think it's best to play right now, and make sure you go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com and find out what this alert will be. It will be released only to subscribers via email and SMS Monday at the bell. So with that, wish everyone a happy Sunday, and I'll be coming live to you soon with a new video. Have a great week and chat soon. Bye bye.